Hey guys, you're here because you want to learn how to remove negative points off your credit report. What if I told you it's as easy as filling in the blanks and sending off letters in the mail? We've helped hundreds of thousands of people remove millions of dollars worth of debt and collections off their credit report permanently following this simple strategy. And all we're doing essentially is taking advantage of the law called the Fair Credit Reporting Act. This law was created to protect you and me as consumers from collections agency. The strategy works for any sort of debt, from repossessions to credit cards, late payments, evictions, old bills, medical bills, student loans, judgments, tax liens, bankruptcies. Anything that's negatively impacting your credit report can be challenged and potentially removed. Now, at Virtual Credit Services, we offer something called the My Credit System. The My Credit System is more than just a credit repair where it's going to show you how to remove these debts. We're actually going to show you how to build and leverage credit. Let's be honest. We're all in this situation for one of two reasons. Either one, we didn't have the financial means to make these payments and we get ourselves into these debts due to emergency situations, or we just don't have the knowledge and we don't know exactly what we're signing when we sign loans. We're going to educate you on how to repair your credit, as well as can show you how to maximize your cash flow by reducing your taxes, and even optionally, you could turn this into a second or third form of income. But that's completely optional. If you're interested in that, please get back to the person that sent you this video originally. Now, I want to make this very, very clear. First and foremost, there is never a need to pay someone hundreds of thousands of dollars to remove or fix your credit when you can do it virtually for nothing. The My Credit System is the complete guide and complete system in place for you to help you eliminate that debt. We're going to show you and walk you through the steps on how to remove each sort of debt specifically. Can't get easier than that, right? They literally provide you with the format of letters that you need, and all you are doing is filling in the blanks with your information, sending them off to the post office. As well as, we want you to know that we're also going to be including you and adding you to our private Facebook community of hundreds of thousands of other individuals that have also been able to repair and build their credit. You'll also get advice from people that have specific experience directly in this field, all when you join Virtual Credit Services. So recap, what you do is when you join as a member of Virtual Credit Services, you'll have instant access to the My Credit System as well as our private Facebook group. We look forward to seeing you there.